Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to mold your custom crayons. So let's get started. You might be having lot of old crayons at home. So the base for the custom crayon is reusing the old crayons. So first of all, peel off the wrapper and split same or the similar color crayons. So here you go, we have already done that. The materials you will need is a spoon, a big or small, anything will work, the molds. So here I have a couple of silicone molds, or if you don't have any molds you can also use any toy mold. Here I am using Kinder Joy eggshell. You will need oil or Vaseline to grease your toy mold. To melt the candle I have used earthen diyas, you can use candle, and also to protect my surface I have used a wooden plank. Also you will need a waistcloth to clean up your spoon or the surface. So let's get started. First heat up the spoon. After few seconds start adding the crayon pieces. So here if you see I have added a couple of pieces into each of these spoons. And here you go, it starts melting. Now once it completely melts, start pouring into your silicone mold or any toy mold in that matter. So keep repeating this till your mold is full or you attained your desired height for the crayon. Also you can mix multiple colors into a single mold. So here I am all targeting for single colors, but in case if you like a mix of colors then you can always do that. If you notice the bottom portion of the spoon has turned black, so make sure that you clean it using the damp cloth that you have taken. It is important that you do this activity in a well ventilated area. Here I am sitting in my balcony. Ensure that you don't do this activity in a closed environment. This can be harmful to the kids. So finally we have started pouring into the Kinder Joy eggshell. So if you see I have already greased it with the oil before pouring it, because while demolding it, it will be helpful and it will be easy for us to demold from the eggshell. So here I am not going with a single color, I am adding different colors into one shell. So let's see how the result comes up. So if it is a big project, you can also plan to melt this in the gas stove. Make sure you have the right container to melt the crayons and then pour it into the desired molds. So once it is done, at least leave an hour for it to set completely. Otherwise it can be watery and it can be a failure project. So now we are done. So here if you see, after an hour we could easily demold it from the silicone molds. So they are very colorful and we are all excited to use it. Okay, now it's time to demold from the eggshell. So since we have already greased it with oil, it is easy, and yeah, we took it out. Wow, it's a gigantic crayon. Dun, dun, dun. We love it. Let's see how the rest is. So far it's all good. We like it. Wow, this brown is like a chocolate. Hopefully nobody eats it. Okay, we are all set. It's so lovely. Yay, we have our new crayons for the coloring activity. Yeah, it's a real chocolate, this brown color. It's time to test our colors. Yeah, we could color it. It's easy and we are all excited to see how this coloring activity turns into. So here we go. Even the gigantic crayon is giving awesome result to us. We love it. So these are some of our old works. We did it for a birthday written gift activity and everybody liked it. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Bye. See you soon.